In one click, thousands of entries can be exported from Excel to Tally. Easily export purchases, sales, bank statements, GSTR sheet, receipts, payments, e-commerce. Its advantages are automation, visibility, customer support, customization, saves time, increase productivity. It is a simple, powerful, feature-rich software that exports most of the simple to complex Excel sheets to Tally. Import any type and number of the ledger and stock item master from Excel to Tally. It is widely used for importing ledger and item master. You can import any number of vouchers and masters in Tally. Quick installation and instant start. Our software can be quickly installed and connected with Tally. No TDL and no XML, just one click to export to Tally. Auto-fetch XTIN using Party. This software allows you to auto-import party names from Tally based on their XTIN and vice versa. Missing ledger detection. While exporting any data from Excel to Tally, software first detects missing ledgers. Missing ledgers can be created with just one click. Online support. Our dedicated customer service team addresses your queries and resolves issues quickly using remote desktop and other online support mechanisms. Sheet mapping. You can map your purchase, sales, and GST ledgers based on the tax rate and supply location. Once the mapping is done, you needn't specify the purchase/sale ledger name for every voucher. Online support. Our dedicated customer service team addresses your queries and resolves issues quickly using remote desktop and other online support mechanisms. Latest technology. We built our tool using the latest technology that supports any computer hardware and some third-party software formats. Fastest import, no competition. Using our software, you can import data from Excel to Tally in just 2 easy steps. First, select your file and map it with our software to show all your data. Next, validate and click to import your data in Tally. Number 1. Excel to Tally software. Our free-to-download software is fast to install and easy to use, guarantees 100% accuracy and customer satisfaction, and provides complete technical support. Secured financial data. All your financial data for processing happens directly from your Excel to Tally, and it's 100% secure. All the process happens on your local computer, so there is no upload, download to server is required.